Articles and one, a little, a few, this, that, a and an, the indefinite article. The form a is used before a word beginning with a consonant or a vowel with a consonant sound. For example, a man, a head, a university, a European, a one-way street. The form n is used before words beginning with a vowel a, e, I, o, u, or words beginning with a mute h. For example, an apple, an island, an uncle, an egg, an onion, an r. Or individual letters spoken with a vowel sound. For example, an L plate, an MP, an SOS. A and N is the same for all genders. For example, a man, a woman, an actor, an actress, a table. Now use of A and N. A and N is used, number 1, before a singular noun which is countable, of which there is more than one, when it is mentioned for the first time and represents no particular person or thing. For example, I need a visa. They live in a flat. He bought an ice cream. Number 2, before a singular countable noun which is used as an example of a class or things. A car must be insured. All cars, any car must be insured. A child needs love. All children need, or any child needs love. With a noun complement, this includes names of profession. It was an earthquake. She will be a dancer. He is an actor. Number 3, in a certain expressions of quantity. For example, a lot of, a couple, a great many, a dozen, a great deal of. Number 5, with certain numbers. For example, 100, 1,000. Before half, when half follows a whole number. 1.5 kilos, or a kilo, and a half, but half a kilo, no, a before half. Though a half plus noun is sometimes possible. For example, a half holiday, a half portion, a half share. With 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, etc. Is used. A third, a quarter, but one is possible. An expression of price, speed, ratio, etc. The 5p a kilo, 1 pound a meter, 60 kilometers an hour, 10 rupees a dozen, 4 times a day. An exclamation before singular countable nouns. Such a long queue! What a pretty girl! A can be placed before Mr., Mrs., Miss plus surname. For example, Mr. Smith, Mrs. Smith, Miss Smith, Mr. Smith. Means a man called Smith and implies that he is a stranger to the speaker. Mr. Smith without implies that a speaker knows Mr. Smith or knows of his existence. Omission of A and N. A and N is omitted before plural nouns. A and N has no plural form. So the plural of a dog is dogs and of an egg is eggs. Before uncountable nouns. Before names of meals except when these are preceded by an adjective. For example, we have breakfast at 8. He gave us a good breakfast. The article is also used when it is a special meal given to celebrate something or in someone's honor. For example, I was invited to dinner at their house in the honorary way. But I was invited to a dinner given to welcome the new ambassador. My students, these are very important points of grammar about article. I hope you will like these points. In next video, I will bring these kind of videos. So now you have to subscribe my channel. I will make you informative. Thank you so much.